Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video I will show you how to activate your window. As you can see, my window is not activated and it is showing this watermark down below. I have already made a video on how to remove this watermark, but it is not a permanent solution. The permanent solution is to activate your window. So in this video we will see how to activate your window. To activate your window, you have to go to this website windowsfeed.com. I will give this link in the description, and you scroll down till you find this bit of code. Alright, so there are two types of code, this and this. I have copied these two code in my notepad file, this and also this one and also this one. So I will also upload this notepad file in Google Drive and share that link in the description. So if that website does not work, you can download this code from Google Drive. Then what you have to do, you have to go to your search box and search for virus and threat protection, this one. Open this and then you have to go to virus and threat protection setting, click on manage setting, and then you have to close this real-time protection, because what we will do, we will run this code and this code will activate your window by automatically putting this product keys one by one. And if it does not work, it will print this error: sorry, your version is not supported, or sorry, the server is busy and can't respond to your request, or it will print successful. For this you have to close your real-time protection. So this can be very risky and can harm your computer, so do it on your own risks. So I am turning the real-time protection off, and you can see I got a pop-up asking to verify, so I will click yes. So my real-time protection is off. Now what I will do, I will go to my notepad and save this code on my desktop. You can name this anything, but make sure the extension is .bat. So this is important to write .bat at the end. Now from save as type, you should select all types. Alright, then you just save it on your desktop, and this is the bat file. Now you have to right click on this and click on run as administrator. Alright, now this will ask for permission. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So you can see activating your Windows. So as you can see, product activated successfully, and you can see down here my watermark is also removed. And if I go and search for activation setting, and you can see window is activated using your organization activation server. Now we will go to our desktop and delete this file and turn on the real-time protection again. If this tutorial helped you activate your window, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.